Doctors, nurses and staff, together with the management of Bethany Hospital, Nongpoh, on Friday organized a candlelight vigil to express their condolences to the family members of the doctor who has been murdered and raped at RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, Kolkata, and demanded that those who are involved in committing this crime should be arrested and punished. Meanwhile, women members of state BJP also organized a silent candlelight march in Shillong to condemn the heinous crime committed.
A
member of our fraternity had faced such horrendous acts of violence which is beyond thinkable. She had suffered so much and had to, in the line of duty, she was doing work in a place where she thought that she had safety, but instead her life was taken away in spite of comfort which she thought she had.
The ikam ki man bay, why? Wakasarkar chumkia ko yakini, why? Ikitu gibru, ko dale any kam. Mto ni persaja ki de wapan song ki hapo patap. The top bit us den phasis nan ko yaki.
The police from Nongpoh Police Station